Hey, I get asked this question a lot, so I really wanted to create just a really quick video for you, for all of you, because I get asked this by my clients, I get asked this by lots and lots of people. So the question is, how do I update my Instagram? This has gone stagnant, it has stopped pulling new data in. You do need to do this a couple times a year, really. It's about every 6 months that you need to update this. So you can see these are all really old posts for my Instagram, and I haven't updated this because I don't actually use this block on my website anymore. But for example's sake, I wanted to show you. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you. So in here you have two ways you can do this. You can either open it up and reconnect your Instagram like this. And even this, like this is really old. So you can either add an account, or what you should do, so you don't have like 10 million of them, is go down. We're going to exit this. We're going to go to, I hit / there, that's my little trick, and I'm going to go to connected accounts. You can see both these say expired. So I'm going to go ahead and delete one of these. And the other one, I'm going to reset data. And hopefully that should, and it says re-authenticate, so we're going to re-authenticate it. So it needs to be pulled back in. So I'm going to say allow, and there we go. So now if I go back to that page and I refresh everything, there we go. These are my new posts. These are my most recent reels and things I've been working on. So there you go. That's how you do it.